Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to fasten your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, go to Windows and type choose a power plan. Here you will see additional plans and choose high performance in there. That's it. Now you have to do some Windows 10 basic cleanup. You have to go to this cleanup. Here in this PC you will find all the drives. So go here and see properties. Check this cleanup here. So this will be showing all the cache file, temporary files on your system which you don't even need. So I will be just deleting them all. Recycle bin. You can see these files are not very important, so I will just delete them. It will not take that much time and it will be deleted very quickly. So let just this happen. Okay, and cancel. Now we'll go to recycle bin and make sure that you clean your recycle bin very often. Yeah, and something also you should have the eye on is its properties. Here in properties you have set the maximum limit for the space it can hold. So if you can decrease it, it will tell you to delete the item, delete all the items, so it can have more items in there. So after this we will disable all the unwanted startup programs. So how can you check it? Just go to taskbar, left click and see task manager, and task manager open or go to startup and you will see all the software which are enabled or disabled. Before these were enabled and these were costing me too much lagging, so I disabled all of them and I will prefer it to you as well. And after this we have to defragment and optimize drive. So go to Windows, defragment and optimize drives. We have to do this very often. We don't need to do this on SSD, but let's do this. So click on the disk you have and click on optimize, and here if it will optimize it will not take that much time. It's good to go. Now the next step is to never have an antivirus program on your Windows 10 system, because the virus and threat protection system of Windows 10 is itself the best piece of antivirus you can have. It's the best I have, because I have been on Windows 10 for 3 years now and I haven't not have a single virus on my PC. Check its setting, make sure all these are on. Cloud driven real-time protection, it's the best antivirus you can even ever have. Make sure you don't install any type of antivirus. Now we clean some cache files, and you know that plus Windows plus R button and type temp. Here I will select all, just delete them, continue, and okay, I will just okay that. Okay, no problem. Again Windows plus R. Now this time I will have this type of thing and I will control alt delete. Yeah, you can see this, all these files are in GBs, so make sure to delete them. Okay, leave them there. Now again Windows plus R and type prefetch, continue, and you can also control A, select all, delete them, try again, no worries, skip. So this was today's video. Hope you have liked this and subscribe to get more videos like this. Have a very good day. Bye.